The three most important things in life are money, housing, and money. Yep, you got that right. Here we'll discuss some of the best free money making apps currently available. So I have four distinct apps to demonstrate. And for me, one of the best things about making money using apps is that you don't even need a computer to accomplish it. It only takes 2 minutes to sign up, and I'll explain everything in greater depth from there, including how to maximize your profits, how to accomplish short and straightforward jobs, how to withdraw your money, and what pitfalls to avoid. So in this video, I'll be discussing a number of vital topics, plus offering a few extra hints on the side. So take special note of this because no one else seems to be discussing it. Hey, welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss everything about money. And for this video, we are going to talk about how to earn $5,799 by using these four apps together. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. So let's get started with the first app. But keep in mind that you need to use them all to maximize your earnings. Keep watching till the very end. You won't want to miss a thing. YouGov.com is the first available app. So you may now make money on this app by taking part in surveys, providing feedback, and answering questions. Now, one of the unique aspects that appeals to me about this is that they will pay you without any action on your part. So once you've downloaded the app and sign up for free, all you have to do to start earning money and prizes is log into your account every single day. You don't need to do anything further, I repeat. Therefore, in essence, it's kind of free cash. Because they are so cutting edge, I highly doubt you ever heard of this app. Now, the reason they are automatically paying you is because they are relaunching and want to promote a large event to get more people to download their app. So your finest chance to make a difference is right now, so seize it. You can sign up with them and they'll deposit free cash into your account on a regular basis. Right now, if you want to join them, all you have to do is visit their website, enter your email address and password, and you'll be part of them. There's zero cost associated with it. So the second app is called LifePoints, which is accessible at lifepointspanel.com. And it will pay you without you having to do anything. So when you go to this website, you will notice an orange button that says Join Now. So clicking on that button will take you to the membership sign-up page when you sign up for this service. So you will immediately be credited with 10 life points, which may be redeemed for cash. There are currently over 5 million subscribers who are all making use of the app in order to actively acquire life points. So you will then be able to convert the life points into real cash, after which you will be able to withdraw your money into your PayPal account. So your bank account, into Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, Skrill or Payoneer, or any of a number of other available payment methods. You might be wondering why your life points are going to be worth money at this point. So the reason for this, as you may have guessed, is that they want you to download their application. The more their apps are downloaded, the more renowned they will become, and the more positive feedback they will receive as their business expands. So the more you download or the more people download their apps, the more famous they will become. So because of this, not only do they want you to become a part of their group, but they also want to financially compensate you for doing so. So this is your greatest chance to get free money and points. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and get my latest updates on different websites and apps that can help you make money so you don't miss out on opportunities like this. Alright, let's continue. Now, all you need to do is click on the button to the right to proceed to the page where you can enter all your information, and then all you have to do is click on the next button. That is all that is required, and the process is rather, straightforward. So I want to know if you're interested in having these apps on your phone. Let me know in the comment section below. So the next is Feature Points. So Feature Points is the third app that I want to show you. I have recently begun showing this program to a large number of people, and that has been going, extremely well for them. So this program provides a variety of opportunities for users to generate income for themselves. Again, You can make money by taking surveys, completing deals, getting cash back, and or downloading apps that offer financial incentives. So you can make more money by sharing this with your friends and by doing so as well. So you can now withdraw your money in the form of gift cards, cash, or Bitcoin once you have accumulated a certain number of points. So you can just simply select the redeem button. Now, it will prompt you to purchase these rewards using points that are equivalent to their value. Now, please ensure that your email matches your account. So on to the next application that I would want to demonstrate to you is called Lifecoin. Now, once more, make sure you watch until the finish to ensure that you will be able to generate a significant amount of money by combining all of these methods. Now, if you go to this website, you will have the option to download this application from the App Store if you are using an iPhone, or you will have the option to download them from the Google Play Store if you are using an Android phone. Don't worry, this is completely free of charge. So this app's primary function is to count your steps when you are out and about. So you can make money just by walking around. That's insane! So imagine you can walk inside your house, you can stroll outside, and you get to earn money? It sounds like you'll be walking every day regardless, doesn't it? So why not get paid extra money while doing it? So if you have this app on your phone, all you have to do is download it and let it run in the background. So it will compute the total number of steps you have taken during the day. Now we're talking about genuine passive income. You are not required to carry out any actions at all. I mean, look at that. You can just earn money by walking. So they're going to figure out how many steps you will take each day, and you'll be able to cash in the points when you reach a certain threshold. You can exchange your life coins for a wide variety of goods and services, including real cash, gift cards, and PayPal funds. Now, listen, here's a bonus piece of advice. You may also sign up to become one of their ambassadors. Yeah. So this will allow you to share and suggest this app to other people such as a friend, and when they sign up, you will both receive money. So this app has the potential to bring in some additional revenue. So now that you know all of this, are you ready to download these apps and earn more? Comment down below so that we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Click subscribe and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, you can just head on over to our channel to see more from Money Talk. See you!